Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make a fantastic tuna salad. Okay, for our tuna salad, you'll need good amount of tuna. We've got some green scallions, some celery, jalapeno for a kick, sweet red and yellow peppers, onions, and this is pickles. So let's begin. So I'm gonna first mix all my vegetables in and move them around really well with the onions. And always drain this thing properly. So move that around well first before we add the mayo. So we're going to put some incredible lemon-based mayonnaise. You can put anything of your kind. So it's about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. And so the best thing we did was, first of all, you have to be very careful. Your tuna should not be very watery and you don't want to squeeze it. You want to make it like a salad. Okay, so now mix it properly, blend it properly. And once that is done, let it sit for maybe half an hour so all the seasoning can seep into it. Okay, so let's add some little nice salt to it. And then some pepper. And this can be according to your taste. So if your mayonnaise has salt, then always be careful how much you put. Okay, so now you can use this fantastic salad for crackers, or right now I'm going to fix a nice sandwich. So this is how my toasted bread is here, and always put a lettuce leaf, and I'm going to arrange some nice tomatoes. Now you can squeeze these tomatoes also if you don't want the water. That's why I put the lettuce leaf. I'm going to eat this right now. And I'm going to put some nice tuna. Spread it well. Here you are. Just put it properly. And wow, look at this wonderful sandwich. Just cut it. Here's your tuna salad sandwich. Enjoy.